BVS-10 Viking, the ultimate all-terrain armored vehicle. Meet the BVS-10 Viking, a rugged armored powerhouse designed to conquer the toughest terrains with ease. Nothing stops this vehicle. From mud and snow to rocky landscapes, it keeps moving where others falter. Its modular C-rail system lets it transform effortlessly for any mission: ambulance, armored personnel carrier, or remote weapon station. The latest crew support weapon variant packs serious firepower while keeping the team safe with advanced ballistic and anti-mine protection. Beyond strength, the Viking excels in versatility and efficiency. High payload capacity and low life cycle costs make it a dependable choice for military forces seeking reliability without compromise. In real-world operations, it's more than a vehicle, it's a mission enabler. Durability, mobility, and adaptability come together to redefine what an armored vehicle can do. When the mission demands the extraordinary, the BVS-10 Viking doesn't just meet expectations, it dominates them. Imagine a revolver that blends classic design with modern firepower. The Smith & Wesson 940 is back, and this time it's chambered in 9mm. Crafted entirely from stainless steel, it carries a solid feel at 665 grams, substantial, yet still easy to handle. Its compact 5.5 cm barrel makes it an ideal choice for concealed carry, balancing power with discretion. Grip matters, and the VZ grips lock firmly into your hand, giving you total control. The tritium front sight glows without batteries, ensuring you never lose aim, even in low light. With its fully enclosed hammer, you won't have to worry about snags on clothing, making it smooth to draw anytime. Reloading becomes seamless with moon clips. 5 spent cases eject together, and fresh rounds drop in instantly. Barrel flutes reduce weight and improve cooling, letting you shoot longer without compromise. The 940 isn't just a revolver, it's a revival of a legend, designed for today's world. A timeless classic, reborn with precision and power. Class and Guard. Imagine a vehicle that can transform into a command center, first aid station, or even a fortress on wheels. That's the Class and Guard.